based in Detroit called the Out Loud Group. I work in operations, so just meeting with clients, creators, networking, seeing how the industry is working, and having a little bit of fun too. Kind of wanted to get out of the convention center area. Like I said, I haven't been to Anaheim too many times, so it was nice to kind of explore and see what else the city had to offer. And like there weren't too many options at VidCon's, so I was like, I need some like exciting food. So we thought we'd come here.
My platform is on YouTube. You can find me on YouTube at Naomi Amber. I actually have a friend here, and she recommended it to me. She lives in LA now, so I made that connection, and she said that this place was really cool. I don't know if anyone's familiar with anything in Philly, but it's kind of similar to Reading Terminal Market, so this is really cool. Just a nice, very similar feel from home kind of going on.